Hello and welcome Blender Hobbies. In this video I want to share something different with you. Uh, you know I don't want to share in this channel. I don't want to share just my successful finished product, and I believe that the failures are our best teacher. So we have to keep failing again and again and again. That's our best teacher. In this video I will share with you one of my failures. As you know, in 27th of May, SpaceX will send a Dragon V2 to the space. It is their first man mission. So I want to make Dragon 2, but then I want to start with Dragon 1, and I started to design Dragon 1. As you can look, I think it looks good, but this is my failure because this is I wanted to make a very realistic object. So I made a very simple mistake. I did it. This object is too high poly. Look at this. It is too high poly, and I don't want to. I am obsessed with very simple object, very low poly. But I've made this mistake. I wanted to share with you because most of us do this. When you watch video in the internet, you think every man may make very good object without any failures, because we do this video for a few tries, after a few tries, but you think, oh, they know very well, but this is a lie. We make a lot of mistakes, and I want to share in this video my mistake. This is my mistake. Look at this. This is very high poly, and actually it looks good, but it must be simpler. So but this teacher, this is my failure, this is my teacher, taught me another thing. Inspired me actually. I will make a very simple object, but it must be meaningful, because we don't need to do some I think we don't need to make some think very good with very high skills. We need very high brain power, and I will make it for you. And why this is a failure? Because most of us doesn't have I don't spend $5,000 for my hobby. Most of hobby we are interested in for a few months, spend thousands of dollars, maybe $5,000 for a few months. It's waste of money, and I believe that you shouldn't do that also. So we will make next video. We will make a very low poly shapes, but meaningful. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.